Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. So in this episode I'm gonna fix the problem that I had when jumping, the contradiction between jumping and IK system. Now when I jump there is no problem, IK and jump is working together without an issue. And also I'm gonna fix this problem. So if I press twice, the character does not jump twice, he jumps only after landed on again. So yeah, those are the two problems I'm going to address today. And this episode is sponsored by these two generous people. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so I have enabled this character IK script again, and when I start jumping, this shaking thing happens now. And let's research on further how to get rid of that part. So I tried to get rid of that by implementing this wait and enable IK approach, using by temporarily disabling IK, but still I don't see any good result. Okay, so just to see what's happening, let's print this IK value here so that we can see what's happening with that. What's this? Let's disable other things. We only need to see the IK values. Oh, we got a null reference. Oh, why is that? And the character script. Okay, we need to give set the reference. I hope that was not the reason. Yeah, it is working now. So we could do this last time. And yeah, so we have this problem. If I keep pressing space, this character keep jumping, so that's not good. So now that we have solved the IK problem, we should look into that. Okay, how to avoid that? Multiple double jumping, not double, multiple jumping before landing. So okay, so how do we detect we have finished jumping? Actually, we don't really have a way. We just go back to normal state once the jumping animation is finished. But instead of doing that, let's look another way. When I press jump key, let's go here. Okay, so let's do jumping only if we are on the ground. To detect that, we can do a line trace. If physics dot line cast and starting position would be transform location, transform dot position, and the endpoint would be transform dot position plus new vector 3 0 minus, what's the half height of the character? I need to know that to implement this. Let's see. This is character's location and y location is 1.5. so that means if I okay, let's move it to 0 0 position. No need to do that. Let's move into this way and let's set only y is 0. Okay, now how much should I lift in order to completely take the character out of the ground? It's 0.873, so I'll take as 0.9. okay, I'll take it as 0.9. F0. Yeah, only if we get a hit here the character get to jump. So let's see if that works or not. He's not jumping anymore. Why is that? What if I make this 1? No. Alright then. Let's make it 2. It should definitely work if this approach is right. No, so does that mean line casting not working? How do I debug this? Let's draw a line here. So that we should be able to see if the line casting is correct. Where no line is being rendered. Why is that? Maybe it is drawn in the scene view, I don't know. Let's see. No. Let's print these values just to check if we see anything suspicious. (11.9), 1.2, minus 1.2 and 1.7. It seems all right. Then what's the issue? Well, yeah, I think something is wrong with this ground object. Yeah, something is wrong with the collision settings of the ground object. I'm not sure. So let's move the character here and see if it is working. Alright, it is working. So if okay, now I can reduce this value. It should be, I don't need this now, minus 0.9. Okay, now it doesn't jump until the character is on the ground again. See, I smashed the button, but it jumps only once. Okay, and I'll stop this episode at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.